Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Fitrist device with your mobile phone. First, make sure your Fitrist is fully charged. This usually takes about 30 minutes to 1 hour. Next, download the official Fitrist app from your phone's app store. Finally, enable Bluetooth on your smartphone so it can find your Fitrist device. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth connection. Now, let's pair your device. Open the Fitrist application on your phone and either create a new account or login. Once inside the app, look for the Add Device or Pair Device option, typically found in the Settings or menu. Then, press and hold the button on your Fitrist band for a few seconds until you see the word pair displayed on its screen. This makes your Fitrist discoverable. Once your Fitrist is in pairing mode, select it from the list of available devices shown in the app. You might receive a confirmation request on both your phone and the Fitrist band. Accept these to complete the pairing. After a successful connection, your Fitrist will automatically synchronize important data like steps, distance, and calories with the app, ensuring your information is always up to date. If you encounter any connection issues, try restarting both your Fitrist and your mobile phone. For a stable connection, keep your Fitrist within 10 meters or about 33 feet of your smartphone. Also, remember to regularly update the Fitrist application and your device's firmware. These simple steps help ensure your Fitrist performs optimally and maintains a reliable connection for tracking your fitness journey.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.